I'm sure all of you are stuck at home, getting through a very disturbed time. Neither you are happily working nor enjoying the holiday. Now, COVID-19 has let us experience a pandemic which probably happens in every 100 years. We were not prepared for it, so we took a few months to get adjusted to it. Unfortunately, this is not going to be over in a hurry. So, this is the time when we need to replan ourselves and go forward. One good thing is this: the knowledge about this virus is becoming slowly known to the scientists and doctors. Though we are far away from vaccine or any definitive medicine, but small good news have kept coming. Now this is the time when we should have the courage to face the disease and go back to our normal life slowly. We should be able to take all the precautions. There will be a lot of planning. As you can see, our lifestyle has changed, and unfortunately it is going to be here for a few months at least, if not the whole year. Now, people who are at home, who always have been thinking about pregnancy planning and got a shock of this disease, I would suggest that this is also an opportunity to spend time within family, within couple, and if you are ready to plan for pregnancy, this disease should not stop you from planning pregnancy, because pregnancy as such is not going to be disturbed with COVID until somebody gets a COVID infection. So you should plan things in a proper way. Now, because you're planning your whole lifestyle, you're planning your work, you're planning your movement and dresses too, I think you should plan for pregnancy now, because there is a substantial amount of time we are at home, which is a rarity in today's world, that couples don't spend enough time in the family. They are always rushing outside home and not spending enough time with wife and family. So what shall we do? My first suggestion is, do not have the COVID fear or the corona fear interfere with your pregnancy planning. Corona has nothing to do with pregnancy. It has no great side effects in pregnancy. So why should we not utilize this good time for planning? First, make sure you are healthy. That means you don't have a thyroid, sugar, anemia. So get a basic test done. Make sure you are healthy. Consult any of your known gynecologists or any of these centers like Bhagirathi. We do have a well-woman checkup available throughout the time, even now, and try to identify if you have a risk factor. Plus, it is mandatory and it's a good suggestion to know about both of your blood group and thalassemia testing if you have not tested for it before marriage. Next, once you are ready and you have not tried before, I don't think you need medical help immediately. My little guidance will help you out. Buy some folic acid 5 mg tablet, which there are a lot of brands available in market. So ask your pharmacist just to give you a folic acid tablet. So take 1 folic acid tablet daily and keep on taking, and you should continue it while you are pregnant. Now, there are a lot of questions in people's mind. When do pregnancy happen? What is the best time to try for pregnancy? The best time depends on one's cycle. Ladies who have regular periods of 28 to 30 days, we count their period cycle from day 1, means the day they start their period. So if you have a period started on 26th of June, then your day 1 is going to be 26th of June. Now, from there you keep on counting 10 days, irrespective of when your period stops. So from 11th day till 16th day, that week, most of the girls with regular period will have ovulation. So if you are thinking and concentrating on pregnancy planning, this is your fertile week. Now what happens to people who have irregular period, who have thyroid problem, who have polycystic ovary? I would suggest you take a gynecological opinion. Now it's available online. You can also come to the hospital OPD or to your doctor's chamber and just get some medicine. Maybe sometimes if you have tried and there is no good response, we can think about ovulation induction tablets. They are simple medicine which we prescribe from day 3 to 7 and tell you to try yourself, and sometimes we give also an additional progestogen support from day 16 to 26. But those things have to be guided by your gynecologist. So once you have tried for 6 months and there is no good response, then you should consult your doctor. But the main assurance is normal, healthy couple with no additional gynecological problem or sperm disorder of husband trying for 1 year continuously will result in 80% success rate. That means if you are trying from now 6 months to 1 year, you will get an 80% success rate, which is a very good success rate considering that natural pregnancy is most easiest thing to do. At any point, if you see any abnormal bleeding, any problem, if you doubt whether you are having ovulation, we are there to guide you through. So, happy planning, and we'd like to see you with a smiley face to any of our clinic or OPD, and we are there to look after you and to deliver you when you are ready. Take care. Best of luck.